Hey guys, AJ here again for PCAddicts.com YouTube videos. Today we're going to be focusing on the web aspect of Nagios. This is video 3 of the Nagios videos that I've done for PC Addicts. You should really check those out first if you are just now joining us for these video segments on Nagios, as you will likely be lost. So first off, we are going to go to our server. I just have a standard Apache going on. We're going to type in whack Nagios. We're going to type in Nagios admin, and then from that first video that you set up, that password, remember that that's the password you need now. Okay, so we are logged into Nagios, version 3.2.0, released the 12th of August, 2009. Okay, as you can probably see, I don't have a lot configured yet. I'm hoping to get an IRC bot going, monitoring all this, etc. So we're going to go to the home. Okay, tactical overview. This just has you overview the network health, the host, the services that you're monitoring, and then the features. I have 2 services disabled. Now, I can turn on and enable notifications for it, but see, I don't have the Nagios command file for it. See, that's a file that you need to edit by yourself, as I haven't done it yet. So, hosts. This is the local host that this is the only host that we really set up yet. We can set up additional ones, like say if you have a remote server, you're gonna probably need to set that up. So you can click on this. It'll show all of the load, the users, the stuff that's going on, the partition, etc. Hosts. Okay, we were just there. The services that are running on there that we just came from, and then these are the groups. Localhost. So you can add additional servers that you want to manage on here and kind of create like a cluster management system, I guess you would call it. Yeah, I guess you could call it that. We just go to summary, then we go back here. Service groups, there aren't any defined yet. I really haven't configured this as I should have yet, but I just want to cover some of the plugins for it. So, there are no problems, thank goodness. Unhandled services, you can see that, hosts, unhandled hosts, and network outages. Okay, so this is really handy because this, the severity of it and how many people are affected, that's pretty big. That way you know when you need to get it figured out. Okay, so then we can just get a graph of this and create the availability report. Nice. So then we have 2-hour uptime for it, which is good. We had 2 of these. That was before the plugin went RE and didn't decide to work, but now it works and all is well. We do not have the trends plugin set up yet. That you can configure. I believe that you might have to download that one independently, but that shouldn't be too big of a deal. So this is just the history of stuff going on. It's basically, what it's doing is it's reading one of the var logs. If you don't know what those are logs that are used by your system where stuff is recorded in them. So if you want to look at something that's been going wrong, you can just cd into var/log directory and take a peek at all the logs in there. So we can go down to notifications. None of them have been recorded, which is good. The event log, basically doing the same thing, except this is even past the days. Oh no, I guess it isn't. I thought it was. I thought it was before you even set it up, but I guess not. But yeah, it has it broken down into hours, so stuff that goes on every hour. That's pretty cool. So like as you can see, the most stuff is going on during 8 o'clock, which is when I set it up. Comments. There aren't any comments, which I suppose is good. Downtime. This is pretty cool. Scheduled host downtime. You can view, because you can have multiple members on here that view it. You can see if there's going to be any scheduled downtime and alert all the people on your network that currently utilize your services that there's going to be downtime. So, let's see. We can schedule some downtime. Economy triggered by just a YouTube demo. And then it'll end at 11:02. Do nothing. Commit. Really? I'm not authorized to commit it. Huh. That is weird. Oh well. That's for another video. This is just the basic information. The PAD, of which Nagios is running on in case you need to remote in and kill Nagios for any arbitrary reason. These are the commands that you can do. You can shut it down, restart the Nagios process, do all that. Performance information. I really don't know what it is. It's some sort of performance thing. It's probably gonna come in handy somewhere or another, but I can't figure out a way. This is scheduling, I guess. This is used, to my understanding, just to make sure that something is up and running. And then configuration, if you want to go down here, contacts, configure, all that. So I think that will just about do it for the very not really in-depth video on Nagios. I plan to do several more videos. This is the third video in the series for PC Edix. This is AJ of LinuxHeads.net signing off.